Hey guys, so today I'm going to have my Ipsy bag unboxing. So every month it comes in this pink little envelope right here. So I've already taken a quick peek at it to see what I had. And yeah, I'm going to get right into it. This month it looks like they are doing some things different. It comes with a card now. And then on the back of the card, it does come with your 5 products, and it gives you a little snippet about them. It doesn't include the price like BoxyCharm does, but at least they're kind of taking a step towards at least telling you about the products now. You have some info on them so you know what they do and what they are, so that's nice. The first thing in my box were these 2 sheet masks. So these are the Surmetic. This one is the Age Control Multivita. It says it has vitamin C in it. So that's what this one is. And then this one is Vital Collagen. So, and they come like, they look like a little IV bag almost. So that's cool. I'm always down for a sheet mask or 2. I don't like to buy them, so I really like when I get them in subscription boxes. So that is really nice. These were out of the bag already. So the actual bag this month looks like this. It is like a light pink with like the red kiss prints all over it. It's actually kind of cute. It's very Valentine's-y. It's really perfect for Valentine's Day, actually. Yeah, it's really cute. Alright, the first product that I'm going to pull out is this Doche, I don't even know how you pronounce this, but it is the Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen Liquid Liner. So I did a quick swatch of this earlier, and it looks like it's going to be pretty nice and pretty black. So I'm excited to try to use it. I don't typically like eyeliners like this. I like the ones that are like this, where you have the brush, and that's typically what I prefer. But I will try this and see how I do like it. So, and I think that is a full-sized item as well. The next item is this Ico Lash Alert Mascara. It's a little baby sample size. It says give your lashes a lift with a shot of caffeine and a double dose of fibers for instant volume, curl, and definition. So I never open mascaras until I go to use them because I don't want it to get dried out and bad. But, oh, and it says you're supposed to squeeze it to coat the brush. So that'll be different. I'll have to play around with it and see how I like that. But yeah, that's exciting. I always love getting a mascara to try out. So the next item is this Glam Glow Glam Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So that's a mouthful. I do have one of these that I have used before. I like it. You can use it under your foundation to give you kind of more luminosity, or you can just use it to moisturize depending on what you want to do. Either or works. This one is in the shade Nude Glow. They are nice. I have no complaints about it. So yeah. And the very last item is from the Balm. It's from the Alternative Rock Volume 1 Shadow. I think it's an eyeshadow palette actually. But this one is in the shade Take It for Granite, which is kind of a nice play on words. And I've already swatched it. I love the Balm eyeshadows. They're extremely nice. Super creamy. And this one is a really pretty, like, purple, lilac-y shade. I love this. I cannot wait to play around with it and use it all over the lid. I think it's going to be super gorgeous. So that is what that one looks like. So this month Ipsy, there's only well, 2 items I'm kind of unsure about, the moisturizer and then the eyeliner. just because that's not typically my style of eyeliner. Some work for me, some don't. So I will have to try that out and see how I like it. And the moisturizer to me is just okay. But I'm excited about the sheet mask. I'm definitely excited about that Balm eyeshadow that looks like it's probably a full-size pan. And I'm always down to try a new mascara. So that is everything I have for this video today. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!